Alright, let's talk about the Surron Light Bee X. What surprised me most is how much it blurs the line between electric mountain bike and full-blown electric dirt bike. It's a contradiction in the best possible way, offering an incredibly fun and unique riding experience that defies easy categorization. Frame and build quality. The Surron Light Bee X sports an aluminum alloy frame that feels incredibly robust despite its relatively light weight for a motorized vehicle. The build quality is surprisingly good, especially considering its price point compared to high-end e-mountain bikes or entry-level dirt bikes. It's a minimalist design, but everything feels well integrated. The swing arm is solid, and the overall rigidity of the chassis is excellent, giving you confidence when pushing it hard. The foot pegs are wide and grippy, offering a stable platform. Compared to a traditional mountain bike, it's obviously heavier, but that heft contributes to its stability at speed and through rough terrain. It doesn't flex or creak under load, which is a testament to its durable construction. Suspension and handling. This is where the Surron really shines and differentiates itself. The Light Bee X comes with an adjustable inverted front fork and a multi-link rear suspension. Now, it's not Fox factory level, but it is remarkably capable. On fast descents, the suspension soaks up roots and rocks with ease, feeling more like a lightweight dirt bike than an e-mountain bike. I rode it extensively on trails like the Beeline and Rock Garden sections at my local bike park, and it absolutely ate up the chatter. The 203mm travel at both ends is substantial, allowing for aggressive riding and bigger hits. The geometry, with its relatively slack head tube angle, provides excellent stability at speed. However, because it's a motorcycle chassis, not a bicycle, the rider position is more upright and centered, giving you a commanding view and excellent control through tight, technical sections. Cornering confidence is high. You can really lean into turns and trust the tires to hook up. Climbing on steep, loose fire roads, the suspension maintains traction incredibly well, preventing wheel spin and allowing you to power up gradients that would challenge many dedicated enduro bikes. Drivetrain and Performance. Let's be clear, this isn't a pedal-assist e-bike. This is a throttle-driven machine. The electric motor delivers an immediate and exhilarating punch. With 60 V and up to 6,000 W of peak power, acceleration is instant and addictive. On steep fire road climbs, it just devours elevation, making short work of sections that would usually have me gasping for air. The single-speed drivetrain is simple and effective. There's no worrying about shifting, just twist the throttle and go. The power delivery is smooth and predictable, though it can be a bit jumpy in sport mode if you're not careful with the throttle. Range-wise, I was consistently getting 30 to 40 miles of aggressive trail riding on a single charge, which is impressive. The belt drive is quiet and requires minimal maintenance, which is a huge plus. Braking is handled by hydraulic disc brakes front and rear, and they offer plenty of stopping power, even when hauling ass down a technical descent. Limitations and trade-offs. While the Surron is a blast, it's not without its limitations. Legally, it's a gray area in many places. It's too powerful for many mountain bike trails and too small for legal road use in some jurisdictions. This means you need to be mindful of where you ride it. The stock tires are decent, but can be overwhelmed on really loose, steep climbs or slick routes. Finally, while the suspension is good, it's not as finely tunable as higher-end bicycle suspension, so you might not get that hyper-plush, magic carpet feel that some premium mountain bikes offer. Final verdict. Buy this bike if you're looking for an incredibly fun, capable, and low-maintenance electric off-road machine that bridges the gap between mountain biking and dirt biking. It's perfect for riders who want serious power, excellent suspension, and an exhilarating riding experience on trails, fire roads, and even a bit of playful urban exploration. Skip this if you primarily ride legal mountain bike trails where electric motorcycles are prohibited, or if you want a bike that offers traditional pedal assist functionality. Ultimately, the Surron Light Bee X is an absolute riot that will put a massive smile on your face and make you want to ride more.